Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're over 55 or caring for someone who is, today's video might be one of the most helpful ones you'll watch this month. We're talking about 5 unique natural health hacks that many seniors overlook, plus the common foods that secretly damage aging bodies, and of course, what you should be eating instead. These tips are simple, gentle, and designed to support your heart, joints, brain, energy, and digestion without complicated routines or expensive supplements. Let's jump in. Health hack number 1, the morning reset drink seniors should use instead of fruit juice. You've probably heard that starting your day with fruit juice is healthy, but here's the truth. Fruit juice is one of the most surprising sugar traps for older adults. Even 100% juice can spike blood sugar fast. As we age, the body becomes less efficient at managing those big sugar surges, which can lead to fatigue, brain fog, inflammation, and even worsen joint pain. So what should you drink instead? The morning reset drink. A simple mixture of warm water, fresh lemon, a tiny pinch of cinnamon. Why it works? Lemon supports digestion and hydration. Warm water helps wake up the digestive system. Cinnamon has compounds that support healthy blood sugar levels. This gentle combo hydrates the body, boosts metabolism, and protects joints and the heart without the sugar rush of fruit juice. Even better, many older adults report fewer morning aches and more steady energy throughout the day.
Health hack number 2, the anti-inflammatory snack swap that protects joints and brain health. One of the biggest complaints I hear from older adults is joint stiffness, especially in the morning or after sitting for a while. What many people don't realize is that some very common snacks actually fuel that inflammation. Foods that quietly harm aging joints. Crackers, cookies, chips, pastries. These foods are usually made with refined flours and oils that increase inflammation in the body. Over time, they can make joints feel stiffer, slow down recovery after activity, and even affect memory. Because inflammation doesn't just stay in the knees, it can affect the brain too. So what's the healthier swap? The brain and joint booster snack. A small handful of raw or lightly roasted walnuts. Why walnuts? They're rich in omega-3s, which help reduce inflammation. They support brain health, especially memory and focus. They are naturally low in sugar and gentle on blood sugar levels. They offer minerals like magnesium that help calm the body. For many seniors, this one simple swap, crackers out, walnuts in, makes a noticeable difference in joint comfort within a few weeks. If you have trouble chewing nuts, you can also chop them finely, add them to yogurt, or blend them into oatmeal.
Health hack number 3. Replace hidden salt foods with this heart-healthy flavor trick. As we get older, the heart becomes more sensitive to salt, especially the hidden kind that sneaks into everyday foods. Many seniors believe they don't use much salt, yet still consume far too much without realizing it. Common hidden salt foods that harm the heart: canned soups, deli meats, restaurant sauces, salad dressings, breakfast cereals, surprisingly. These foods can push sodium levels way up, and for older adults, that can mean higher blood pressure, swelling in the legs and ankles, headaches, and even shortness of breath. But here's the good news. You don't have to give up flavor. The heart-healthy flavor trick is herb blending. Instead of reaching for salt or salty foods, season meals with herb blends, such as garlic powder, basil, turmeric, rosemary, oregano, paprika. Why this works? Herbs add deep flavor without raising blood pressure. Rosemary and turmeric contain compounds that support memory and reduce inflammation. Garlic powder, not garlic salt, can help support healthy cholesterol levels. Even just switching to herbs for 1 to 2 meals per day can help many seniors feel less bloated, breathe easier, and maintain steadier blood pressure. And if you still want a salty taste, try lemon zest or vinegar. Your taste buds interpret these as bright and savory, reducing salt cravings naturally.
Health hack number 4, the fiber flip that transforms digestion and energy.
If you've noticed slower digestion, more bloating, or irregular bathroom habits as you've gotten older, you're definitely not alone. After age 55, the digestive tract naturally becomes less efficient. But one common food pattern makes things much worse: low fiber and high refined carbs. Foods that quietly slow digestion: white bread, white rice, regular pasta, low fiber desserts, many breakfast bars. These foods break down quickly into sugar, offering almost no support for gut health. This can lead to constipation, gas and bloating, low energy, higher blood sugar spikes, increased belly fat. The solution is simple and surprisingly gentle: the fiber flip. Replace one low-fiber item each day with one high-fiber whole food alternative, such as rolled oats, chia seeds, apples with the peel, berries, lentils, whole grain bread. Why this matters? Fiber feeds the good bacteria in your gut, helps stabilize blood sugar, and keeps digestion moving smoothly, something many older adults struggle with. Most seniors feel real improvement within days: lighter digestion, less bloating, and steadier energy. A simple fiber-boosting tip: add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds to your breakfast. They absorb water, expand gently in the stomach, and help keep you regular without harsh laxatives.
Health hack number 5. The evening magnesium ritual for better sleep and calmer muscles. Sleep changes with age. Many older adults struggle with falling asleep, staying asleep, or waking up too early. And unfortunately, one common habit can make this even worse: foods that quietly disrupt sleep. Chocolate at night, coffee after noon, soda, packaged desserts, late-night salty snacks. These foods contain caffeine, sugar, or heavy processing that overstimulate the nervous system. For aging bodies, even a small amount can interfere with the deep, restorative sleep your brain and muscles desperately need. So what's a safe, natural alternative? The evening magnesium ritual. About an hour before bed, enjoy one of these magnesium-rich foods: a small handful of almonds, a cup of warm chamomile tea with a squeeze of lemon, a serving of steamed spinach, a few pumpkin seeds. Why magnesium helps? It relaxes muscles, calms the nervous system, supports heart rhythm, helps the brain settle into deeper sleep cycles. Many seniors report fewer nighttime cramps, better sleep quality, and less anxiety after adding a magnesium-rich snack or drink into their nightly routine. Bonus tip: turn off bright screens at least 30 minutes before bed. Your brain produces more natural melatonin when the lights are dim, helping you fall asleep faster. Closing message. And there you have it: 5 unique natural health hacks every senior should know, along with the common foods that silently work against your energy, joints, digestion, and sleep. None of these tips require extreme diets or expensive supplements. They're gentle, practical, and easy to start, even today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more senior wellness tips, and share this with a friend or family member who might benefit. Take care of yourself. You deserve to feel your best at every age.